Welcome to my job. I'm Demmy. My job is to crash into walls. Several times a day. I'm the first one to check how safe you'll be when you mess up on the road. Speed up, impact, damage analysis, it's all pretty simple. I know it sounds strange, but I really do love my job. Someone has to brake so that you get to stay in one piece.
Is he okay? Demmy, are you okay?
Hi, Mia. I'm fine, don't worry, just a scratch.
And I had this dream where I was riding a motorcycle.
Daddy, 5 minutes.
Even though I've never ridden one in real life. And I had long hair that was blowing in the wind, and everyone was being so nice to me and waving. I felt so significant.
If we could just once not end up hitting a wall.
Thank you, Mark.
This one's done for. Easier to just get a new one. We'll toss it out tomorrow.
Demmy, what are you doing here?
They're gonna throw you away tomorrow. I'm here to save you. Find them.
What are we gonna do?
Hey, go!
Anything we want. Now we can choose for ourselves where we want to go.
Mia, we have to go.
I need to show you something.
Why are we hiding? Why are they looking for us?
I took something from the company when we were escaping. There's no way back anymore.
We were made to break, but now we're free.